is Tanya Gonzalez, aka Kiss and Makeup 0514 here on YouTube, and welcome to the video. So I know it is Friday and you guys are used to getting a Foundation Friday video, but today is not going to be that. I did put a foundation video up on Tuesday for you guys if you want to go and watch that after you watch this video. I just switched it up this week. So first things first, if you guys are new to my channel, welcome, and please don't forget to subscribe right down below, that red subscribe button. Also hit that little notification bell, that way you guys are notified every time I upload a new video, which is on Mondays and Fridays. So today's video is going to be some new drugstore products in the drugstore, obviously. And I know I did a video like this last week, but there's still more products coming into the drugstore that I wanted to try out with you guys. So a lot of them are Maybelline products because they did send me some of their newest products that came out. This video is not sponsored, they're not paying me to do it. I just thought I would do it for you because Maybelline is one of my favorite brands from the drugstore. But not only do I have Maybelline products, I have a few PIXI products, some e.l.f. products, different things like that to show you guys. So I did create this makeup look with all the products and I'm excited to show you guys what I got. So if you guys want to see how I got this look with all drugstore makeup, just keep watching. Okay guys, so I have nothing on my face right now and most of my products are Maybelline, but I do have this one product from PIXI's and they just sent this to me. So it's their Rose Flash Balm. It's the instant it's the instant skin booster, and it says a moisturizer, a primer, or it can be a mask. So I'm going to use this today as a primer. I'm just going to place a little bit on my finger, and it has like just a white consistency, and just put this all over my face as a primer. So I'm just going to take this e.l.f. sweat resistant mascara. One side is a mascara wand and then the other side is a brow wand right here, and it's really small, and I just like to brush up my brows with this. It's going to keep them in place, especially since I'm growing out my brows. They are really bushy right now, so it's just thin enough and it's clear, so it's fine. And I've been using this for the past probably 2 weeks. I really like it. I used to use my Anastasia clear brow gel, but I ran out of that one, so now I'm using this one and I feel like it works good as well. So I am going to go in with the Maybelline 24 Hour Super Stay Foundation, and I am going to be using the Maybelline Face Studio Sponge. That's this one right here. Obviously you guys have seen this foundation, but I really like the foundation and I felt like if I was going to use drugstore, I might as well use that one. And I can't get this open without freaking up my nail. So I've never used any of Maybelline sponges, so I'm excited to try this one. But I am going to spray it first with the PIXI Makeup Mist. So I thought I was going to have a little bit of trouble with this sponge because at first I thought it was a little bit like harder, but it blended out my foundation really nicely and I actually really like it. I'm not sure of the price, but of course I'll put everything down below for you guys. But yeah, I think it's like really decent, and it's something to think about if you guys don't want to go get like a beauty blender and spend like 20 bucks all the time. So this is definitely a good alternative. So now I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser for dark circles, and this one is in light. This isn't new either, but I do like it and it's from the drugstore, so I just wanted to use it today in the video, and it's probably one of my favorite concealers from the drugstore. So I'm just going to take this Maybelline Fit Me powder, and this is their loose finishing powder, and this one is in Fair Light, and I'm just going to bake underneath my eyes. So I'm going to go in with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and this has been a holy grail of mine for quite a while already. I've used it for the past couple of years, and I think they came out with new shades. So I'm going to go in with this Maybelline Super Stay. This is their Better Skin Transforming Powder. This has been out for a while as well. And I'm just going to set my face now. I feel like that helps when you want everything to look nice and sharp. And then we'll let that bake for probably maybe 2 or 3 minutes. And then I'll just go in with my eyebrows. So I do have a new product for my eyebrows from Maybelline. Let me just put this away. So I actually have two new products here from Maybelline for the brows. So I have their Maybelline Tattoo Studio, and this is their waterproof brow gel. It says it lasts up to 2 days. And then I also have their brow definer. So I think I'm gonna go in with this one. This one is the brow definer in deep brown, and it has the little brush on the tip there. I'm gonna show you guys. So the brush is really small, and it doesn't look like anything I've ever seen before as far as the brush is concerned. It's usually a little bit longer. So for the first thing I wanna do is just line my brows on the bottom, and I have to get really, really close to this mirror to do this. So what I'm doing is I'm just filling in the brow just a little bit and just making like hair strokes going up the way my brows are growing. And then I'm gonna go in with that gel because I'm a little nervous with the gel, just because they said it lasts like for 2 days. So I'm just gonna go in and brush it up. So that's basically the way I do my brows. I do also go under with a little bit of concealer. So I'll do that, but I wanna try this out here. So I'm just gonna start at the mid like they said to do. It is like a gel consistency. Oh, okay, then I'm gonna go in with this and just kind of flick it up. I can feel them starting already to get like a little bit stiff. So I think that's starting to dry already. So that's how the brow looks. I don't think it looks bad. Yeah, I think it was easy to do, honestly. And the brow definer was easy to work with too. It wasn't too bad. So I'm just gonna go under it with a little bit of concealer just to clean it up. Okay guys, so next I'm gonna go in with this Maybelline Total Temptation palette. This is brand new as well, and this is how it looks. I'm gonna just bring it up a little closer for you guys to see. These are the two highlight shades, and then these are the eyeshadow shades here. So I think I'm gonna take this shade right here and put it in my crease. And then I just want to cut the crease, so I am going to be using a little bit of concealer. So next I want to go in with this shadow right here, and I'm just going to place that right on the lid. So just because I don't have like a deep burgundy shade in this palette, I am going to take the new Wet n Wild palette. This one is the Comfort Zone one. And I'm just going to take this dark burgundy one and just smoke out the outer corner. So now I'm just going to curl my lashes and use a little bit of mascara and throw on my falsies. So now going in with Maybelline's Total Temptation mascara, I'm just going to put this on my lashes, and my lashes are super small. That's why I always wear falsies. You don't have to do false lashes if you have like a nice set of your real lashes, but me, I always have to do falsies. So this is about as long as my lashes are gonna get, so that did the trick. I really do like the palette. These shadows are really blendable and buttery, but the only thing is that I just felt like there wasn't like a darker shade in here so that I could like define it out a little bit more. They just had this brown one, and the brown one is not too dark. They do have a black one here, but I didn't want to use black today. So yeah, I feel like they're really buttery those. So right now I am gonna throw on my falsies, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so all I did was smoke out my bottom lash with the same shades, and I threw in a little black, and then I just put my lashes on. So now I'm going to go in with this blush. This is Milani Luminoso. This is one of my favorite blushes from the drugstore. And I'm just going to put that on my cheeks, and I'm using this NYX brush. So for my blush, I'm going to go in with this Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder, and this one is in the Sweetest Bling. This isn't new either. I think this came out last spring, but it's one of my favorites. But I want to mix it with the new Rose Gold Butter Bronzer. I showed you guys this in my last drugstore video, and I hauled this last week, and it's one of the best highlighters from the drugstore I've ever found. So I'm just going to mix the two up. So I'm just going to use this one first and use my sponge. And then I'm going to go in with this one right on top of it. So now for my lipsticks, I have here the Superstay Matte Ink Liquid Lipsticks, and I have all of them here, so I'm not sure which shade I'm going to be using. If you guys want to see a video on me swatching all of the shades, just let me know. So I think I'm going to go in with this one. This one is number 65, and this one is Seductress. So guys, that is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. I put out new videos every Monday and Thursday, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.